In this video, I want to talk to you about why an open house is a huge waste of your time and also a huge liability to you as a seller and why you shouldn't do them. The real estate industry wants you to believe that open house, that's the way that you're going to sell a property. And I'm going to tell you right now, that is not the way you're going to sell a property. I've been in the real estate industry for over 20 years now. And when I first started, that's what agents tell you when they train you is, oh, you got to run a bunch of open houses for all these experienced agents that have all these other listings because they don't have time to do it. And you run the open houses, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have a sign-in sheet and you're going to have everybody sign in. And then after it's done, you're going to call everybody and you're going to start banging on them and trying to get business out of them. So in the eyes of an agent, the reason that the open houses are done is solely for their personal benefit. It's not to sell your house, because the people that are serious buyers that are in the market right now, they're looking online, they have a realtor that is helping them. They're going to come look at your house one way or the other. So as soon as it hits the market and they see it on there, they're going to call for a private showing and they're going to come see it. If you're not having an open house. So if you're having an open house, sure, they're going to come to the open house, probably make it easier maybe and go there. So if you're looking to make things easier for yourself and not have all these scattered showings all over the place, then maybe an open house might be to your benefit. But for me, you know, as a homeowner, I don't want all these different strangers traipsing through my house. And, you know, as an agent, I can't keep track of all these people that come in when there's multiple people all over the house. There's no way you can police that. Who knows what they're doing? Who knows what their drawers are looking in and, you know, things they're potentially stealing. I mean, that's pretty rare usually. But again, it's an unnecessary thing that agents try to make you believe that you need to sell your house, and you do not need it. It's a huge hassle, and in my opinion, I would totally avoid doing it. I stopped doing them probably, you know, 5 to 10 years into my 20 years so far, because it's just a huge waste. And like I said, it's all for personal agent self-promotion. It has no benefit beyond that, because you're not going to get someone that's just going to walk right off the street and buy the house just because they saw an open house sign. Doesn't work that way. They're already looking, they're already serious. Sure, it might get them thinking about something, and maybe you're in a resort area or something like that where, you know, that's what it takes to trigger somebody to come look at the house. But think about it, people are career open house lookers. When you have an open house, you get all these looky-loo neighbors that come in and look, and you get all these different people that just like to look at houses. I like to look at houses. I'd love to go look at some open houses and see what other people are doing and compare and whatnot, but having no intention whatsoever of buying the house, and now it's just all that wear and tear and foot traffic and possible liability coming through your house, just doesn't seem to make sense to me. Any questions about anything real estate related, reach out to us anytime. You can check us out on our website, bradbrett.com.